Welcome to N8N in 60 seconds. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can create your very first AI agent. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hop over to Google and search for N8N. Click the first link and get started for free. After you sign up for a free account, this is what you're going to see. And the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Create Workflow, which will take you to this canvas screen where you can add your very first step, which in this case will be a chat trigger. After you add your chat trigger, we want to give this chat trigger an AI agent, which in this case will be this one. And then you can attach a chat model. I'm going to use the Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. And there you go. You've successfully created your first AI agent that can answer your queries.